Okay, 3.7, what is the printout of the code in A and B if number is 30? So let's look at A first. So number is 30 here. Okay, this is reminder. So number 30 can be divided by 2 and that will be, reminder will be 0, which is true. So this one by default, okay, if you have one statement, you don't actually have to add curly brackets. It's exactly the same. Sometimes in terms of readability, it's a good idea to put curly brackets to make it clear. So this one will be printed, okay, number, so it is even. Then here, okay, number is odd also will be printed, okay. So in other words, you can omit curly brackets only for the one statement after choose statement. In other words, if it's true, this statement will be rejected. But this one will be separate statement, okay? Whether the condition is true or not, no matter what, this will happen. So let me show you again. What do I mean by that? Okay, sorry is all even and sorry is odd. Okay, that doesn't make sense, but that's what happens. Okay, let me put it back. And let's say, what if number is 31? Okay, reminder is 1 equal to 0, which is not, so this won't be printed. This will be printed. Okay. Okay, so the one is odd. So if you remove curly bracket, you will end up with exactly the same answer. Okay, so the one is odd. So it's always good exercise to include curly brackets. Let me comment it. Let me change back to sorry. Look at the question B. Okay, this is a clear because it says if else statement. The condition is true. Okay, one statement. We don't have to have a curly brackets. Okay, condition is not true. Then else. Okay, this is going to be printed. To make it clear, it's always a good idea to introduce curly brackets. Okay, that way you can avoid the mistake. Okay, so this is actually better than using if statement only. Okay. Okay, sorry is even. Sorry is even. What if number is 31? Only this one will be printed. Okay, 31 is odd. So simple expressions. Okay, you have to deal with the false statement. Then make sure, okay, else is maybe bad idea than doing this way. That's all. Thank you.